very warm good morning, my dear students. So as I had told you in yesterday's class that I'll be uploading some related videos for chapter number 3, that is formatting documents. So today I'll be starting with the first portion, that is formatting the font and the definition of formatting. So here I have written the definition of formatting, that is formatting is the general arrangement or layout of the text you type. So the arrangement or the keeping of the text that you have typed is called as formatting. So how to keep is you have to keep in a way which looks very neat and very easy to read also. So when some person reads that particular text that you have typed there in the computer screen page, so they also will be feeling easy to read. So now this formatting text will help to look the text very much neat as well as very much easy to read also. Now the way you format the text in a document depends on how you intend to use it and how you want it to look. Now the way this formatting text looks here depends upon the user, how you use the font styles that is present out here in this ribbon area. So according to the user only, you'll be changing these font styles, different shapes, different size, different styles of this text, and according to that only this text will be displayed out here with different styles. So that is called as formatting in computer world. Now let us start with formatting the font. So what are the steps that you have to follow in order to change the size, in order to change the style of, and in order to change the font color of the text, in order to change the effect, in order to give the effect. So what are the things that you have to follow? What are the steps that you have to follow? Let us discuss those things in today's class. Now you can just relate page number 36 of your computer textbook, where all the details, all the steps are given in much clear. So formatting the font. To change the font, do either of these. I am reading out from page number 36. You can just relate while watching this video. So step A, or step 1, use the font group on the home tab. Now here, my dear students, this portion that you are seeing, where you can find home, insert, design, layout, reference, and just below this some related groups has been opened. So this particular portion is called as ribbon area. So ribbon area has got two different parts, that is tabs and groups. So home, insert, design, these are called as tabs, and according to that groups will be opened. So here home has been clicked and the group related with home has been opened out here. Now use the font group on the home tab, or another option you can choose, that is use the font dialog box launcher. Click on the small arrow on the right hand corner of the font group to open the font dialog box. Now here what you can do, my dear students, is now you can change the font styles from here, from this font group, or you can just follow another step, that is here in the bottom right corner of this font group there is a arrow pointing downwards. So you can just click that, and what will open is now some dialog box will open, from where you can easily change the font style, font size, color, and effects there in the text. So you can just change these styles by clicking this dialog box there in the bottom right corner of the font portion. And after changing everything from this dialog box, the thing that you have to do is OK. So this is how you can change from this arrow also, or the dialog box also. Now let us start with the first thing that we'll be learning in today's practical class. Now font dialog box, you can also make these changes using the font dialog box. Now how to change using font dialog box, or let us start with the the font styles that is present out here. Now for that I have written some portion out here in this page. Now how to use these font styles that is present out here, like here font style is given, font size is given, so I have kept font size as 18, and there are different options with the help of which you can see the change or the effects out here in this text. So first and foremost, what you have to do is you have to select the text that you have typed. So what I'll be doing is select all. Now after selecting, what you can do is you can just go here to change the style of this text that I have typed here in this page. So here I'll be selecting one of the styles from here. So I'll be selecting the text as Algerian. So here this is how you can change the font styles. Now another thing I want to change is the font size of the text is 18. Okay, now I just want to change this font size to 14. So if you check here, the size of the text has been reduced to 14. So apart from that, I can just change these also, like bold, italics and underline portion. Now if you select one of these, suppose let us start with the first one, bold. So as soon as I click here, everything, all the text will be in bold form. Another thing is italics. So if you see, there is a slight change in the text, so it is italics form. And another one is underline form also is there, that is all the text will be underlined. So this is how you can change, you can make change there in the text that you have typed there in the screen or the page. Now after that, what you can do is you can just change the color of the text as well. Suppose for example I want to keep this as blue. So this is how you can give the color to the text that you have typed also. So my dear students, these are some of the things that is present out here in this font group itself. Now another way how you can change how you can give the effects, or how you can change, how you can format the text that you have typed is by clicking the bottom right arrow that is present there in the bottom right corner. So here as soon as you click, a dialog box will appear. So let us follow the step that is provided there in page number 36, and let us change the styles of the text that I have typed there in the page. So here the first thing is select the text you want to format. So here, before opening this, what you have to do is I have to select the text that I have typed. Now I have selected. Now second step is click on the font dialog box launcher. So I have clicked here, and as soon as I click here, what will come is, or what will appear is, font dialog box will appear. Step 3, the font dialog box will appear. So as I have clicked here, the font dialog box is already appeared here. It's already here in this screen. Now step 4, choose the font style, size, font color and effects. So here my dear students, if you see here in this dialog box, what you can see is font is given, font style is given, size of the text also is given, font color is given here, and effects also is given. So I'll be selecting one of the option from this all styles. Okay, so let us start from the font portion. So font, I just want to keep this one. Okay, Arial narrow. I have selected font as Arial narrow. Font style I would like to keep as italics, and font size I would like to change from 14 to 18 again. Then after that, I don't want this blue color as font color. I just want to change with another color, that is red. Now after that, I'd like to select one effects from here, from this option. So here I'll be selecting this one. Now after that, what you have to follow as step number 5 is a preview of this selected font is shown in the preview area. Once you have completed your selection, click OK. Now my dear students, what you can see here in this preview option or preview area is, now whatever style that you have selected out here, font style, font size and font color and its effect, so everything will be shown here in this preview area. So how you have changed out here, that can be easily seen here in this preview area. Now after that, after all the changes that you have made from this dialog box using this font style, size, font color and effects, the last thing that you have to follow is click OK. Now as soon as you click OK, what you can see is, you can see the changes that you have made there in the dialog box, that is font dialog box. So my dear students, this is how you have to follow the steps that is provided there in the computer textbook, and this is how you can change the text with different font styles. So in today's class, I have completed with the first portion, practical work. So kindly follow these steps. If you have got laptops, if you have got this Android cell phone, you can follow these steps there in the cell phone as well. You can follow these steps there in the laptop as well as there in the computer. So kindly follow these steps that is provided there in the textbook page number 36, and according to that you can just do this work there at home also. So kindly follow these steps and kindly revise whatever is taught here in today's practical class, and kindly dedicate your time in studies. So thank you very much, take care and have a great day.